Welcome, it is Shay Cherie. Today I'm going to be unboxing a hanger tool. I have to make some Lime Basil Mango soap, which requires a swirl in the design. So I was previously using a wire hanger, but I decided to be a grown-up in my business and get an actual hanger tool to swirl the soap with. So we're going to open it up today, see what it looks like, and try it out in some soap. Okay, as you can see, I ordered this from Workshop Heritage Soap Supplies. So let's open this up and see what we've got. All right, definitely a lot more fancy than the hanger I was using. Looks like this is waxed on and there's a protective case on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this and try it out in some soap. It's the next day and I'm cutting the soap so you can see the swirl effect. Overall, I'm happy with the hanger tool. Well, that's what I call it. If you look on their website or their Etsy page, it's called a soap design wire, and I got the 10-inch one, and it fits perfectly inside of my molds. Trust me, this is definitely a step up from the wire hanger that I contorted in all kind of ways to make it fit into my mold. Anywho, I love that it's sealed in this tubing. I don't know if it's plastic, silicone, what it is, and it's also sealed with like a wax at the ends, which makes it very easy to clean as well. So if you're making soap and you're doing the swirling technique, I would definitely recommend this from Workshop Heritage. Thanks for tuning in. Leave a comment below, like, share, subscribe, all the things. And definitely check out some of the other videos on my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.